The architectural idea behind the eco-friendly house project is to seamlessly blend modern design principles with sustainable practices, creating a harmonious and environmentally responsible living space. The design emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and a strong connection to nature. The house features clean lines, minimalistic aesthetics, and an open floor plan to maximize natural light and airflow. The eco-friendly house project embodies the essence of pure architecture, drawing inspiration from the rationalist traits of the modern movement established a century ago. Emphasizing the purity of form, geometric precision, and material integrity, the design pays homage to the principles that have shaped architectural discourse for generations. An important aspect of the eco-friendly house project is the design of the eaves, which serve multiple purposes beyond mere aesthetic considerations. The proposed intention behind the eaves is twofold: to create the illusion of the house floating above the ground, and to enhance the perception of the ground floor slab appearing to be suspended or flying. The entryway of the eco-friendly house project serves as a welcoming and functional focal point, embodying the principles of sustainability and modern design. A covered porch or vestibule provides shelter from the elements and creates a seamless transition between indoors and outdoors. The architectural plan of the eco-friendly house project reflects a thoughtful consideration of the needs and lifestyle preferences of a young family. With a total area of 150 square meters, the house is designed to optimize space efficiency while providing comfortable and functional living quarters. The kitchen is separated from the living dining room, allowing for distinct zones for cooking, dining, and relaxation. This division of space enhances efficiency and organization while preserving the openness and flow of the social area. 2 bedrooms provide private retreats for rest and relaxation, with ample natural light. Outside, the eco-friendly house project extends its thoughtful design principles to the surrounding landscape, creating an outdoor environment that complements and enhances the architectural vision while promoting sustainability and connection with nature. The eco-friendly house project represents a holistic approach to sustainable design, integrating architectural innovation, interior comfort, and landscape beauty to create a home that is both environmentally conscious and aesthetically pleasing.